Hello, Shakil speaking. Today we are gonna build Twitter clone, and you see the Twitter. I will make the interface almost. I will try my level best to make the interface almost like that. So if you land into the front page, you will see there is a login page over here. You can log in by Google or anything else, or you can manually sign up. So I will try my level best to give all the options. So if you can successfully log in and get access to the inner sections, you will get all the news feeds, the three portions over here, left, middle and the right. And in the left side you will get your home messaging sections. You can update your profiles, you can get the news feed. So in the newsfeed area you will get the post of your posts and the posts of the followers, which people are going to follow. You'll get the, if they have post, these posts will be shown here. Okay, and in the right side you will get the latest news, trendy news, and who to follow, the people you can follow over here. And in every news feed, if you like the post, you can like the post or comment over here. Okay, this is all about. I will try my level best to make all these features, to incorporate all these features, though I am not very good at design, even though I will create all the functionalities almost like Twitter. So there is a rich text editor. I will use React Quill for these sections. Okay, the scenario will be almost like that. So without doing further ado, we are making our machine ready for this project. Okay, so if you want to make your machine ready, you first of all you have to have Node.js installed in your machine. So if you go to the official page of Node.js, you will see how to download it. This is very user friendly and drag and drop. So as I have already Node.js, so I am not showing you the how to install it. So after having Node.js, sorry, clear, you have to check the versions, Node.js B, and check the npm version, npm-b. So if it shows that, you see Node.js version 16, npm version 8.3, it suggests that you have already Node.js installed in your machine. So you have npm, you have Node.js. Another thing you need, so for the technologies we are going to use in this Twitter clone, we'll use mern stack. You see mern stack. Mern stack means MongoDB, Express, React and Node.js, or the trendy topics will be covered over here. And we will use Next.js. So Next.js is very SEO friendly. So it's a Next.js is a React framework. It will give the SEO boost. Okay, and we'll use Socket.io, real-time submitting post for Socket.io for submitting real-time post. Okay, so these technologies will be covered, will be covered here. So let's dive into the deep. Okay, if you like the series, give me a big thumbs up and like, share and subscribe, and please wait for the next tutorial. Thank you very much. See you soon.